one thing I need.
Good morning, guys! Today is December 14th and it's Thursday and this is the last day of school ng mga bata. Come on! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! So, yun. Last day of school na nila Kuya at Zach. And nandito ulit sa akin si Sophie. Tapos, punta kami na Mount Gambier kasi di bilang wedding present. Kasi kasal kaming a-attendan bukas. Kasal ng friend ko. Sabi niya, ang gusto niya raw sa wedding niya is yung malaking rice cooker, yung pwede raw masaingan na 10 cups. Sasabihin ko sana 10 kilos. So, yun ang ganap. Right, Holly? I'm just gonna have a shower and we're going. Hi! Hi! Tapos, naglalaba din ako. Siguro hindi ko na siya mahintay. So, baka mamaya ko na lang siya sampayin. So, say, see you guys! Flying kiss! Good! Say bye! Say bye! See you later! Say, see ya! Hi guys, maliligo na sana ako and then bigla ko naalala, di ba nung Tuesday, kakapa-hair color ko pa lang ng buhok. Ito kasi, nabili ko to sa Philippines, yung Hairstyle L'Oreal. Na-feature na to ni Ray, siya ni Kath, nung pumunta sila dito sa bahay. Pinagamit ko to sa kanila. Nabili ko siya sa Philippines for 2,500. Ang treatment kaya, nung nagpa-treatment ako, it was $600 or $800. 800 pesos, tapos kay si Jan din nagpa-treatment nung nagpakulay din siya. So, eto, worth it to kasi ang laki niya, ang bigat niya. 1,000 ml siya, guys. Ang mahal kaya dito magpa-treatment. Kaya, so yun, sinare ko lang sa inyo kung nasa abroad kayo, tapos, uwi kayo ng Philippines, bili kayo nito. Hindi ko pa siya natatry. I will update you guys kung ano magiging resulta after this. Ang sabi kasi dito, 20 minutes daw ibabad. Pero ako 10 minutes lang kasi aalis kami. So, next time ko na lang siya ibababad for 20 minutes. So, yun. Shinare ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ang bango niya. So, yun. After 10 minutes, maliligo tayo. Kasi alis kami. Ayan, nakaligo na tayo. I-share ko din sa inyo. Kasi binigyan ako ng mama ni Sophie nito ng itong NAC. NAC yung niya, sabi niya dito. Leave-in moisturizer. So, i-apply ko siya bago ko siya i-blow dry. Tapos, ito rin yung gloss styling spray. Magic Finesse. So, yan. Binigyan niya rin to sa akin, no? Itong dalawa. Libre na yung pagpakulay ko. Tapos, libre pa to. Saan ka pa? So, yun lang. Shinare ko lang sa inyo, guys. Better day. Fucking you Friday, no. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a wait. How about this? Like this?
That is too flat.
This is too flat.
That looks like bunny.
So what do you want me to do?
Put gel?
Please?
Please?
Come here. Say hi to the people.
I thought you doing the gel.
Did you hear them?
Spiky.
Huh?
Spiky.
You want a spiky?
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
I want one spiky.
You cannot do spiky. Okay, like this.
That looks like bunny too. This looks fat.
Flat. So you want spiky one?
Ow.
Here, let me see here. Can you see yourself?
Hey, bunny.
It's not fun.
I want flat.
You said flat. It's fun like that. You want like this?
Is that fat?
Huh?
That's fat.
You look like Pa. You want like this one?
I can look at this one.
You can look from here.
No, I look here. Look,
Wow,
spiky.
Spiky, okay. Let's see here. Gusto niya raw spiky. Ang buhok niya is
Just like that,
matigas.
Mom. Just like that.
Just like this. Let me see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix at the back. Can you say hi?
Guys.
Say nicely.
Guys.
Tell them where we're going.
We don't want to do the mouth.
What you gonna do? What you gonna get?
I don't dance, Spider-Man. Don't dance, Spider-Man shirt and Spider-Man t-shirt.
Okay. If you're gonna be a good boy, we're gonna get those.
I
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna
want to do right now.
change. Yeah, I'm gonna change Holly now.
Look here. I got
Come here, I'll
backwards
picture
on here.
him. Huh?
I got backwards on my neck.
Why you get all glitters?
I don't know.
Well.
Let's check your hair.
Wait.
That only put down, not put
Okay, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. It's Holly's turn. Okay. Say hi to everyone. Hi. It's done. Say hi. Flying kiss. Flying kiss to everyone. Say
Mom, you gotta follow me as I'm the leader.
You're the leader. Okay.
Yeah. This is Ellie. Sit in the top. You're going to the front.
You're in the other side, Baba. Okay. Okay. What?
Why you didn't put in his lipsticks again?
What I'm gonna get for Christmas?
Yeah.
Lipstick?
Yeah.
Why lipstick? May sinasabi.
Buy more.
Buy more lipstick? Why do you want lipstick?
No, you.
Why you want mommy to have lipstick?
More lipstick for
Wha-
you.
Why?
Then when you wash them, get more.
Why you want?
Christmas.
You want me to get lipstick for Christmas?
Yeah, cause when you finish all the lipstick, you have to get more.
When I finish the lipstick, I have to get more. So I have to get it now for
No.
Christmas.
No, when it's at Christmas time.
When it's Christmas time. Guys, dito na kami sa Big W.
Daddy, look at the eyeball.
Kami sa sa Jeans West. Hinahanapan ko si Jan ng damit tsaka shorts or jeans.
It just said, come, let's go. A doll down here.
Why you stay here? I hope she's gonna like it. She's hard to find. This is not. Yeah, I got one. Okay.
Not a problem at all. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too, and Merry Christmas.
Yes, you too. See.
Sa price line. Tingnan ako ng pangregalo sa sister-in-law ko. So, pabango will do. How are we gonna smell it?
No milk.
Just
It looks like a box. Smell it. Not milk. Smell it, Mom. A milk? See, I told you. A milk? I put it inside.
Sumasayaw siya. Good girl.
You want a lollipop?
Where?
It's right here, look. That is a lollipop.
Oh yeah, that's a big lollipop. Don't touch it.
Hold on, look.
No touch. You don't touch that one,
But
darling.
it has one
Yes,
lollipop.
okay, dance. Okay,
Mom,
dance.
this is really strong. And I'm telling Mom I want that one.
So, ito na yung napupusuan kong ibigay sa aking sister-in-law. Thank you.
That's okay. Let me know if you need any
Yes,
extra
okay,
help.
thank you. Yes, Holly.
It's really big.
It is really big.
I'm telling Mom I want that boy one.
If you are gonna be a good girl, she might get you one.
I want this.
Are you gonna be a good boy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I love one
I
in
know,
there.
let's-
There's toys in there.
Oh my god, but we're not gonna buy toys. Come on.
But there's Barbie in there.
Yeah, I know, but we're not gonna buy toys today. I'm looking for a gift from my friend.
And then we can. The pink one. I didn't need a red one.
Nag-uusap yung dalawa ko anong
I didn't
makukuha nila raw sa Christmas. How about you?
My mom, look what Sophie did for Christmas. You want a Minnie Mouse pink iPad for Christmas?
iPad?
Yeah, he wants that for Christmas.
How about you? What you gonna have for Christmas?
I don't have a Spider-Man iPad. Red
Spider-Man iPad? We
for-
have
Yeah,
an iPad.
that's red there on that for Christmas.
I don't know.
I got
You have to be good. So dito na kami sa sa W. Maghanap na tayo ng rice cooker na dapat lang gusto niya is yung 10 cups. Na pwede siya 10 cups. Wait. Okay, wait. Mommy's just looking for rice cooker. Stop.
Yeah, is it, Mom?
Do you want a drink?
Not mine.
Drink.
But why is not eating this?
Just leave
Why
it
not
there.
eating it? I didn't light up.
10 cups, tapos with steamer. So, siguro ito na lang. Kasi yung isa, ito sana. Kaso 8 cups lang siya. Ito siya. Ito yung tsura niya. Oh. May steamer. Parang pala ito sa akin. Nasa bahay. Ito yata ang gamit ko eh. Maganda. Tapos may 2 years warranty siya. So, okay. We get the rice cooker for Tita.
Very good pizza.
Tita Christine, for tomorrow.
I know the pizza the same now.
Yeah, tomorrow.
At the now.
Yeah.
I want to start with that.
Are you?
Yes, look. Look here on your hand.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I want to do it after. I only want to go to Target.
Huh? Oh, what's that?
I want to go to Target.
Naman natin si Zachary ng damit. Zach, we have to find your clothes.
Buy my clothes.
No, for the wedding. For Tita Christine's wedding.
15.
Tita Christine, eto may nakita ko puti oh.
You know the Dion's house?
Zach! Ito oh. Ano lang siya? $20. Zach, come here!
No, look at the dog.
Zach! Come on.
What?
For tomorrow.
Look. Yeah. It looks like a stiff.
A sir? No, it's not. Come on.
I don't want to wear it.
Yes, you are.
I want to
Never pa kasi nagsuot si Zach na ganitong damit na may necktie. So, kaya sabi niya, yuck. So, tapos, itong shorts. Kasi mainit bukas eh. What's that?
I didn't do it to your stones.
You're looking for Kuya TJ?
Yeah, put stones.
How about you? You got, what's yours? Let me see.
It's Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Ayan, nakapili na siya ng Spider-Man.
No, these are Spider-Man.
Yeah, wait, love. Can you try? Let me see. I think it's too big.
No, look.
No, try it, please.
I need at the end.
No, you have
I
to
need
wear.
on the end.
No, you have to wear.
What?
You have to wear. Remove your socks. Gusto niya kasi Spider-Man eh. Show me, stand up. Stand up. Let me see. Turn around. It's a bit big.
Bouncy.
Maybe they have size. They don't have.
I
So that's big. We're gonna find something. Maybe this one. Try this one. Ito oh. Try. No, you have to wear it, Baba.
Yeah.
Yeah, wear it. Show me.
This little.
Remove that one. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Stand up. A bit short. Maybe
Yeah, I
this.
want this.
No, this size. This next size. This one.
Is it one that does hurt? But is it big?
Come on, try it. Try it. Now stand up. Oh, I think that's better, that one. We're gonna find for Kuya. What do you think for Kuya?
That take these off. No. Too big. It's alright.
Pinatry ko yung, pinapatry ko kay Sak yung ano.
That's fine. I look like a mission report.
Oh, mission na what? You look what?
A mission report.
What a mission report.
I look like.
Holly. Okay. Yeah, that one? What do you think? Go look.
I did.
Look at
I
that.
looked there.
Ay na kami guys, yung tatlo ayun tulog. Si Sax nagising na. Si Sophie tulog pa rin. Natulog si Holly. Bumalik si Zachary sa pagtulog. Nananaginip siguro siya. So yeah, bye na kami guys. Alis si Kuya TJ. Punta siya ng Adelaide kasi bukas. Sa Saturday. Saturday may golf competition siya. So ihatin ni dyan si TJ doon sa kapatid niya. Kasi si Mel ang magdadrive sa kanya. Mommy. Hi, Cobes.
Hi.
Where you been? Nasawa ko. What's that music, Belle? What's your music?
I said so.
Ipe-prepare ko lang yung dadali ni Kuya TJ sa Adelaide. So, kailangan daw ni Kuya na may color. Golf t-shirt na may color. So, yun. Ito yung first competition ni TJ na hindi kami kasama. Kasi si Jan may work. Tapos ako may wedding. Hindi ko pa nga alam kung makakasama si Jan sa wedding eh. So, tapos shorts. So, kaya si Mel ang maghahatid sa kanya. Tsaka birthday rin ng, ng pinsan niya na si Hunter. 5 years old na yun. So, magpa-party muna siya bago siya magko-compete. First time niya to. Kasama kasi ito kasing competition na to. Kasama ito sa, put it back there, it's yucky. Kasama ito sa course niya sa Royal Adelaide. So, yun. Dapat nung Saturday din, pero hindi nakasama si TJ kasi nga, walang magdadrive sa kanya. So, ngayon, nag-email ulit yung coach. Sabi niya, kung pwede raw mag-attend si TJ. So, yun, ipe-prepare ko lang to. Damit na pang party. Okay na. Yeah. What's that? Wow, Tyron. The more that you read, the more thing you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. That's right.
I had a present.
What presents you have?
I didn't make it. The teachers gave us to our class.
Oh, okay. Holly here. Okay, so this is what you're gonna wear for the party, okay?
Minyan.
Yeah.
Hey,
And
let's do it.
I told you to get your pajamas. Where's your pajamas?
So where did you put my pajamas?
Where's it? Zach, where's Kuya's pajamas?
I didn't touch it.
Get a new one, Kuya. This is Kuya Saki.
But I don't. No, it's not good enough.
Ay, Kuya Tina. I'll go get it. You know what you're gonna do there, right?
What?
You have a golf competition. This is your first competition,
Our
Kuya.
dad told me all about it.
Okay, so good luck and
And Jasper said good
come
luck.
here. Who's Jasper?
You don't know who is Jasper.
Yeah, who's that? Come here.
He plays footy and he plays.
Say happy birthday to Hunter, okay? Love you. Good luck.
Am I wearing this?
Yeah, okay. So, alis na si Kuya.
Shorts.
Yeah, 2 shorts, 2 t-shirts, and then 1.
Where's his golf jumper, just in case?
I wash it. It's not dry. I haven't.
Hang him out yet.
No. Ayun, umalis na si Kuya TJ. Hinatid na siya ni Jan. Tapos ako magsasampay pa yan. So, that's it for today's, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya!